Hello, everyone. So, our topic of discussion is the perceptual processes. Let us understand the true meaning of perception. So, here we can see right in front of us in the form of a picture where we have an elephant and the blind men. So, all these men around the elephant are blindfolded. So, basically, they don't really know that what is in the center and what are they trying to touch or feel. So they are coming up with their own perceptions. They are coming up with their own interpretations and they're trying to give it a meaning. So someone says that it's a rope, someone says it feels like a wall, someone says it's a tree, someone says it's a snake, it's a spear, or maybe it's a fan. So they are coming up with their own perceptions basically. So we all know that once the sensory organs are stimulated, it definitely leads to some kind of an experience, and that experience which we get is nothing but the sensation. Maybe it could be the flash of light, it could be the sound, or it could be smell. Now, this experience that we've been able to gather in the form of sensation is not going to provide us with the understanding or the comprehension of the stimuli. I don't know what the stimuli is basically, though I can feel it, though I can sense it, but I'm not able to give the true meaning, or I'm not able to interpret the meaning of the stimuli. And for that, of course, we do need further processing. We need to process the information further. We need to give meaning to the stimuli. How? By making use of our learning, our memory, our motivation, our emotions, and a lot of other psychological processes. So, of course, that entire process where we can actually recognize, where we can actually interpret, that entire process is actually called the uh, perception. So let us understand what is the meaning of perception. So here we do have the meaning of perception. So it is the process by which we recognize, we interpret, or we give meaning to the information that is being provided by the sense organs to us, and that is what is called perception. So, literally, when we have to interpret the stimuli or we have to interpret events or individuals, we all actually are trying to construct them in our own different ways. So perception, if you see, it is a construction of those objects and events, and it entirely depends on our own viewpoint. We are giving it from our own viewpoint, and that is what essentially is perception. So, this was all about perception. Thank you so much.